video has the solutions of paper 3 January 2026. See the first question. G of x equal to 3x minus 5 plus 5 sine of x square, where x is measured in radians. Let us change the mode of by radians in our calculator. Show that g of x equal to 0 has a root alpha in the interval 0.7 to 0.8. Let's find g of x is given 3x minus 5 plus 5 sine of x square. Let's find g of 0.7. Let's replace the value x by 0.7. So 3 times 0.7 minus 5 plus 5 sine of 0.7 square. By using the calculator, this value is going to be minus 0.546870559. By writing the three significant figure, this value is minus 0.547. It is less than 0. Let's find the next value g of 0.8, which is equal to 3 times 0.8 minus 5 plus 5 times sine of 0.8 square. By using the calculator, this value is 0.385977206. By writing the three significant figure, this value is equal to 0.386. It is greater than 0. Let's see. For example, this is 0.7 on the x-axis. This is 0.8 on the x-axis. So this value is approximately minus 0.5 and this value is positive 0.3. So the curve will definitely cross on the x-axis. One of the value x is for y equal to 0. So g of x is continuous function, continuous within the interval 0.7 to 0.8. Hence, g of x equal to 0 has a root alpha, Definitely there must be a root for one of the x value. B part. Show that the equation g of x equal to 0 can be written in the form of x equal to. So what is our g of x? Let us write g of x is 3x minus 5 plus 5 times sine of x square. This g of x is equal to 0, which is given in the question. Can be written in the form of x equal to. So let us start here. 5 sine of x square, which is equal to these two terms. I am turning to right side. So this term is going to be 5 minus 3x. Now sine of x square is equal to, this term is divided by 5. So 5 by 5 is 1 minus 3 by 5 x. X square is equal to, let us turn this sine to the right hand side. So it is going to be sine inverse. Let us write arc sine of 1 minus 3 by 5 x. So x is equal to, this x square is this expression, x is equal to power 1 by 2 or square root of. So this term is going to be, we have to show the answer as power 1 by 2. So let us write this 3 by 5 can be written as 0.6. So arc sine of 1 minus 0.6x the whole power 1 by 2. We have shown this is the answer we have to write in the form. P is a constant to be found. See, using the iteration formula, xn plus 1 equal to arc sine of 1 minus p xn the whole power 1 by 2. With the value of p found in part B, I am starting with x1 equal to 0.7. One of the first term is given. X1 is equal to 0.7. Let us find x2. When n equal to 1, this term is going to be n plus 1. So, x2 is equal to arc sine 1 minus p value is 0.6 times x1, because n is equal to 1, x1 value is 0.7, the whole power 1 by 2. Now, this value is x2 is equal to, find the value of x2. So, x2 is equal to, by using the calculator, 0.7866. Part, find by repeated iteration the value of alpha, giving your answer to 4 decimal places. Let's start here by repeated iteration. So, let us find x3. x3 is equal to arc sine 1 minus 0.6 times. So, this value is, we are going to replace here, this one. So, this 0.7 will be replaced by 0.7866. So, 0.7866. The whole power 1 by 2. So, this value is x3 is equal to, by using calculator, 0.7458. Now, we can repeat the same and find x4 is equal to 0.7651. Let us repeat. x5 is equal to 0.7560. x6 is equal to 0.7603. x7 is equal to 0.7583. The values are different. Now, let us find x8 equal to 0.7592. You do by trial and error. x9 is equal to 0.7588. x10 is equal to 0.7590. x11 is equal to 0.7589. When you repeat and find x12, x12 is also 0.7589. When you are repeating x13, x14, the same value will be repeated. So, our final answer of alpha is equal to 0.7589. This is the fixed value of alpha. That is finding the 4 places of decimal. So, alpha is equal to 0.7589 is the answer. Question number 2. There is the function given y equal to x square ln 2x. Ln is natural logarithm with base e. Let's find out dy by dx. The given expression y is the product of 2 functions, x square into ln 2x. So, consider this is u and this is v. What is the expansion of uv the whole dash? How to differentiate? U into v dash plus v into u dash. So, let's differentiate here. X square into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So, differentiation of ln 2x is 1 by 2x and multiply by the differentiation of 2x because it's a linear form. Differentiation of 2x is 2 plus ln 2x into differentiation of u dash, that is first differentiation x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. These 2 will be cancelled. 1x will be cancelled. Here is x plus 2x ln 2x. This is the first part of the answer. Second part of the question is given f of x equal to an expansion. It is a u by v form. Show that f dash of x. Let us find the first derivative of f of x. F of x is given. F of x is equal to e power 2x divided by 4x plus 3 the whole power 2. This is in the form of u by v the whole dash. So, when we are differentiating the fraction v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Let's find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to u into v dash. So the denominator is considered as this is v, this is u. So 4x plus 3 the whole square times e power 2x. The differentiation of e power x is e power x. But differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into differentiation of this 2x. So 2 minus e power 2x into differentiation of the denominator. That is, consider what is the differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So first we can consider as 2 times 4x plus 3. Then this differentiation of this x terms, that is linear term, 4. So which is multiplied by 4. The whole divided by v square, that is 4x plus 3 the whole square, which is the denominator, the power 2 v square. Let us simplify this term. The numerator is going to be 2 into e power 2x times 4x plus 3 square minus this term is going to be multiplied by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 e power 2x times 4x plus 3. The whole divided by 4x plus 3 the whole power 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now the numerator, let us take the common factors. 2 times e power 2x is common and one more 4x plus 3 is also common factor. The remaining factors are, in the first term there is 1 4x plus 3. So let us write 1 4x plus 3 minus the second term here. This 8 can be written as 2 times 4. So there will be 4. Because e power 2 times this 8 can be written as 2 times 4. So 2 e power 2x is already common factor. 4x plus 3 is also common. Just only 4 is the remaining factor. Divided by 4x plus 3 the whole power 4. One of the factor is common. We can cancel as numerator and denominator 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3. So this denominator is going to be 3. This can be cancelled. So the final factors are 2 times e power 2x, 4x plus 3 minus 4 divided by 4x plus 3 whole power 3. This is equal to 2 times e power 2x into 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 3 the whole power 3. This only we have to show the answer. This is the simplified form of the differentiation. Question number 3, just integration. Let's integrate 2 times 3x plus 5 the whole power 7 which is equal to into dx, which is equal to, consider 2 as a constant, 3x plus 5 the whole power 7. The integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So apply this formula is here, integration term. So 3x plus 5 the whole power 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 8. Now we have to divide it by the coefficient of x. When we are differentiating, we have to multiply by the coefficient of x. When we are integrating, we have to divide by the coefficient of x. So times 1 by 3. Here the integration did not given the limit, so there must be a constant term plus c. This is equal to, this 2 and 8 can be divisible by 2, so here is going to be 4. 3x plus 5 the whole power 8 divided by 4 3s are 12 plus c. This is the first part of the answer. See the second part of the question. F of x is the fractional form of the expression. Write f of x in the form x plus b plus c by x minus 1 where a, b, c are constant to be found. This expression we are going to divide it by the divisor. So let us rewrite this. F of x is equal to 4x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 14 divided by, let us write the expanded form of the divisor. So x square plus x minus 2. Now this expression is written as a mixed form, mixed fraction. So let's divide and find the quotient and remainder. Here the division is 4x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 14, which is divided by x square plus x minus 2. The first term 4x cube we have to divide by x square. So here this x square will be cancelled. First term is going to be 4x. This 4x have to multiply by the whole divisor. So 4x times x square plus 4x times x minus 4x times 2. So the expression is going to be 4x cube plus 4x square minus 8x. Let's subtract these terms. So the first term is going to be, this is 0. So the next term, this is minus, this is plus. Minus 3x square plus x plus, bring the last term here, 14. Now we can do divide again. Minus 3x square divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x square. So here only is the constant term, that is minus 3, minus 3. This minus 3 is going to multiply by the whole divisor. So minus 3x square minus 3x plus 6. Let's subtract it. So when we are subtracting, will be 0, this is going to be plus, this is minus. So 4x plus 8. Now this expression is going to be, this f of x is equal to, the quotient is 4x minus 3, the quotient, plus the remainder is 4x plus 8, the divisor is x square plus x minus 2. This can be written as into the factorization form which is given in the question, x minus 1 into x plus 2. The numerator also we can factorize. So 4x minus 3 plus 4 is the common factors. So x plus 2 divided by, the denominator is x minus 1 into x plus 2. This x plus 2 will be cancelled. So the final term f of x is equal to 4x minus 3 plus 4 by x minus 1. This is the given expression. Hence, using algebraic integration, find the integral with the limit 3 to 9 f of x dx. So integral to the limit 3 to 9 f of x dx is equal to, integral 3 to 9. F of x can be written as the simplified form. So 4x minus 3 plus 4 by x minus 1 into dx. Let's integrate. Here when we are integrating 4x, so 4 times x square by 2 minus 3x plus 4 is a constant. Integration of 1 by x is log x or ln x. This is the differentiation of the denominator is just 1. So it is on the numerator. So it can be written as ln x minus 1 to the limit 3 to 9. Here there is no extra constant because the integration is within the particular limit. Now this 4 and 2 can be cancelled. Here is going to be 2. So the answer is 2x square minus 3x plus 4 ln x minus 1. Ln x minus 1 to the limit 3 to 9. First we can substitute the upper limit and lower limit. So upper limit minus lower limit. So let us substitute the upper limit, that is 9. So 2 times 9 square is 81 minus 3 times 9 plus 4 times ln 9 minus 1 is 8. This is the upper limit minus, let us replace the lower limit. Substitute the lower limit. So 2 times 3 square is 9 minus 3 times 3 plus 4 ln 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 ln 2, which is equal to 2 times 81 minus 27. This is equal to 135 plus 4 ln 8. This is the upper limit value. Minus here 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 plus 4 ln 2. Let's remove the bracket. 135 plus 4 times ln 8 minus 9 minus 4 ln 2, which is equal to 135 minus 9 is 126. 126 plus this first logarithm, this term is going to be write as 4 times ln 2 power 3, because this the second logarithm also is given in the terms 2. So minus 4 ln 2. So 126 plus, we know the logarithm rule, a into log b, which is log b power a, or log b power a can be written as a log b. So 3 will be going to multiply by 4. So this is 12 ln 2 minus 4 ln 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. The final answer is 126. 126 plus 8 ln 2. This is the last part of the answer. This is question number 4. The resting heart rate H beats per minute of a particular group of mammals can be modeled by an equation, where mkg is the mass of the mammal. The mass of one of these mammal is 3 kg. So it's given m equal to 3. Find the resting heart rate of this mammal. So let's find out H. H is the resting heart rate. So the logarithm term is given, log h to the base 10 is equal to 2.4 minus 0.25 log m to the base 10. Now let's replace the value of m. So we can find out the h value. Log h to the base 10 is equal to 2.4 minus 0.25 times log 3 to the base 10. By using the calculator, log h to the base 10, which is equal to 2.280719686 with the help of calculator. So let's find out the h value. H value is equal to, we know that the logarithm rule, suppose the log x to the base 10 is equal to b, x equal to 10 power b. So by using this law, 10 power 2.280719686, we can write as a 3 significant figure. So this h value is 190.8620948. Consider the answer as a 3 significant figure, which is given in the question. Give your answer as 3 significant figures. So the answer is 191. Show that the equation of the model can be written in the form of, what is the equation of the model? It's given as a logarithmic expression. So log h to the base 10. The model is given log h to the base 10, which is equal to 2.4 minus 0.25 log m to the base 10. So let's turn this logarithmic term to the left hand side. So log h to the base 10 plus 0.25 log m to the base 10, which is equal to 2.4. So log m plus log n is equal to log m plus n. So this is going to be, before that, log h to the base 10 plus this logarithm can be written as this 0.25 can put in by the power of m. So log m to the base 10 m power 0.25, which is equal to 2.4. Now we can use the logarithm. Log m plus log n is equal to log m times n. Log of m times n. So here log h times m power 0.25 to the base 10, which is equal to 2.4. Now we can remove the logarithm. So this h times m power 0.25, which is equal to 10 to the power 2.4. Now h equal to, we have to find the value of h. Here the question is, give each of the values h equal to, we have to show the answer written in the form of h equal to. So h equal to 10 power 2.4 divided by m power 0.25. This value is equal to, you can take the value as a 3 significant figures. So 251 divided by m power 0.25. This is the final answer. With reference to the model, interpret the value of the constant p. What is our p? The previous term is given h equal to p by m power q. H equal to p by m power q. Our answer is h equal to 251 by m power 0.25. The same formation we have found. We have to interpret the value of p. Value of p is resting heart rate. Resting heart rate per minutes. Heart rate for a mammal. Of mass 1 kilogram. Mass 1 kg. Question number 5a part. Given that the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 16 divided by x minus 4, which is given. Find f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to f of x. So this is the given f of x. This is given f of x. Just to replace x by again f of x. So the expression is going to be 2 times 2x plus 16 by x minus 4. This is x plus 16 divided by, again this x also can be replaced, 2x plus 16 by x minus 4 minus 4. Now we can simplify. The numerator is going to be 2 times. So x minus 4 is the LCM of the numerator. So 2 times 2x is 4x plus 16 times 2 is 32 plus 16 times x is 16x minus 16 times 4 is 64. The whole divided by denominator also consider x minus 4 as the LCM. So x minus 4, the numerator is 2x plus 16 minus 4x minus 4 into minus plus 16. Now the denominators equal terms x minus 4 will be cancelled. Let's simplify the numerator. 4x plus 16x is 20x. 20x minus 32 divided by 2x minus, that is minus 2x plus 32. Now we can take 2 as the common factor from both numerator and denominator. So 2 times 10x minus 16 divided by 2 times minus x plus 16. These 2 will be cancelled. So f of x is equal to 10x minus 16 divided by minus x plus 16. This is the first part. Find f inverse of 12. First, let us find f inverse of x. F inverse of x. What is f inverse of x? What is f of x? F of x is given as an expression. F of x is 2x plus 16. 2x plus 16 divided by x minus 4. Let's find f inverse of x. So this equation, this expression is y equal to 2x plus 16 by x minus 4. Now interchange x and y. So this y can be written as x equal to, this x can be changed as y. So all the x and y we are interchanging. So x equal to 2y plus 16 divided by y minus 4. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So xy minus 4x, which is equal to 2y plus 16. Now make y as the subject. So this expression is xy minus 2y, which is equal to 4x plus 16. Take y as the common factor. Into x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 16. So y equal to 4x plus 16 divided by x minus 2. This is the f inverse of x. This final term is f inverse of x. So let's find f inverse of 12. Let's replace x by 12. So 4 times 12 plus 16 divided by 12 minus 2. This is equal to 48 plus 16 divided by 10. So f inverse of 12 is equal to 64. This sum of these two terms is 64 by 10. So the decimal form is 6.4. This is f inverse of 12. The question, the function g is defined by g of x is equal to given ln x. So find exact values of a such that f g of a is equal to g of a. So what is our f of x? F of x is equal to, which is given here, 2x plus 16, 2x plus 16 divided by x minus 4. This is f of x. Now what is here given? F g of a. F g of a is equal to, what is g of a? G of a is equal to ln a. What is f g of a? F g of a, which is equal to g of a. So this f of x here we are going to replace g of a. So g of a is ln a. So this expression is 2 times ln a plus 16 divided by ln a minus 4, which is equal to ln a. Now we can do the cross multiplication. We are going to find the values of A. Yes. So do the cross multiplication. 2 ln A plus 16, which is equal to ln A whole square minus 4 ln A. So ln A square minus 4 ln A minus 2 ln A minus 16, which is equal to 0. Let us write the equation as a quadratic form. Ln A the whole square minus 6 ln A minus 16, which is equal to 0. This equation is going to be rewritten as a quadratic equation. So let y equal to ln A. So this equation is going to be y square minus 6y minus 16, which is equal to 0. Let us factorize. The two factors are 8 times 2. 8 2s are 16. The highest factor is negative. So the factors are y minus 8 times y plus 2, which is equal to 0. Here the values are y equal to 8 and y equal to minus 2. So what is our y? Y is ln A. So ln A is equal to ln A equal to 8. Here ln A equal to minus 2. Here the natural logarithm with base is e. So A equal to e power 8, one of the value, and the other value A equal to e power minus 2. Here the condition is given. The possible values are x is not equal to e power 4. Our value is also not equal to e power 4. So these are the possible values of A.